Here's the text studio editor, and first we'll start with the document class command. We'll specify the type of document that we want, for example, article or a book or a report. You can also set the parameters, for example, the font size. I'll set the font size to 10 points, and the paper size, A4 or letter size or anything else. Then we can use packages like AMS Math, AMSM, Babel, and Input Ink. Here we'll use Input Ink. Then you can add the title of the document, the author, and the date. This consists of the preamble of the document. Everything above the begin document command will be the preamble. You can manually add in the date, or you can specify today with a backslash so that it automatically adds today's date. And now we'll start with the document. So use the begin document command. Make sure that you use the command make title so that it prints out the title, author, and the date. You can also print out the title, author, and the date in a separate title page using begin title page and end title page commands. You start with your document by using begin document, then make a begin title page and end title page and print out the title, author, and date in this. If I run this, it will look like this. In the first page, we have the title, author, and the date, and in the next page, we have the text that we have added. For now, let's add some text. And end the document. Here you see that the title, author, and the date have been printed in the same page along with the text. To write an abstract, you can use the begin abstract command. First, we'll begin our document. Then begin with the abstract. If you want to go to the next paragraph, you can use double backslash and it will go to the next paragraph. Or you can press enter twice to go to the next paragraph. Let's run this and check. You can see that the first line is here, then there's the double backslash, and there's the second para or the second sentence, and then there's the third sentence. To align the text towards center, left, or right, enclose the required text within the commands begin center and end center, or begin flush left and end flush left. For example, here I'll paste some content and run it. the text has been aligned towards the center. Now if I change the commands to align the text towards the left, the text gets aligned towards the left. You can also italicize, bold, or underline the text. Let's italicize just these words. There you see that this two words are italicized. If you want, we can emphasize a single word out of the entire sentence. For example, if I want to emphasize organic waste, I'll type emph. And that would emphasize just the selected words out of the entire sentence. And then we can also include lists, unordered and ordered lists. Ordered lists or the unnumbered lists are produced by the itemized environment. Each entry must be preceded by the control sequence item. If I run this, you can see that there's a list being displayed here. You can also enumerate the list by using the enumerate environment. Lists can also be nested. The above lists may be included within one another to a depth of 4 levels. Here we have 4 levels of lists. You can see that the first level has numbers, the second level has lowercase alphabets, third level Roman numbers, and the fourth level has the capital alphabet.